Hi guys, today we'll show you how to jump start your Volvo V60 using the portable jump starter. The positive terminal is located right here, and the negative one is located on the right side of the fuse box. We'll use the portable jump starter from Auxito. The model is called AJ01. This is how it looks, quite compact. And right here we've got our clamps. I will connect our clamps to the device, and now first you guys will see green blinking light. This means that the jump starter is ready to be connected. So first I will connect the red to red and the black to black. As you can see, the length of the cable is enough. And after we have connected it, it will turn to solid green, and now we can start our vehicle. The vehicle starts right away, and now I can disconnect the clamps. First black and now red. This jump starter has reverse polarity protection. What this means, if you accidentally connect, for example, black to red and red to black, it will make the warning sound. This means that you're not doing the procedure the right way and you have to switch them around. This device actually has a built-in flashlight. You have to turn on the device first and then press a button. At night this can be quite helpful. Besides that, you guys can use it as a power bank, and also you can use it to inflate your tires. Besides the jump starter, it has all these other features. If you guys like this one, I will leave you a link in the description. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.